Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Dr. Al Sayuf, consultant child neurologist, American Board, Kids Neuroclinic and Rehab Center. Today we're going to start our first episode about what are the dangers of social media. Why social media is really bad in kids less than 16 years old. And I will talk about what is being published in the medical literature or through trusted guidelines like American Academy of Pediatrics and so on. Now, excessive exposure to the social media, especially in kids who are less than 16 years of age, is associated with really bad and negative consequences. And I will mention these negative consequences in our first episode today. And later on, with our future episode, we will talk in more depth about what are really these bad negative consequences. Literature and guideline have noticed that kids who are exposed to social media excessively without supervision, like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and the last and the worst is TikTok, is associated with the following negative consequences. These kids, they usually have a mental and physical abnormality, and the mental abnormality is usually anxiety. They develop anxiety, they develop stress, emotional exhaustion, they develop depression, and there is a well-known recently described phenomena called Facebook depression, and they develop envy because they see other people, and they also develop low self-esteem, low quality of sleep, and also they develop health problems like obesity due to lack of exercise and watching this media for a long time. There is also a well-known described phenomenon called health, or they call it social media addiction, and they get addicted to the social media. They can be exposed to cyberbullying, and also can be exposed to unaccepted content like sexual content, like crazy ideas, and also violation of privacy, political polarization, and that can be very detrimental in a kid who is in the developing stage. It can also affect the values of one in his community and in his culture, because these kids they see what they are not supposed to see, and it will affect them in very, very negative way that sometimes can lead to some of these kids try to imitate other people, like by trying to commit suicide or try to do a dangerous maneuvers to be popular on the social media. I think this is a very serious topic, and I do strongly encourage parents and family to have a close and observation of their kids and what they watch. This is our first episode, and we will talk in more depth in the future episodes about what exactly each and every negative consequences of the social media. Please don't let your kids watch social media. Please, if you want them to be on the social media, they have to be under strict supervision, and please make sure you limit their TV or internet or video game time. More to come with our future episodes. Dr. Al Sayuf, consultant child neurologist, Kids Neuroclinic and Rehab Center.